Are you looking for the best soldering irons? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best soldering irons on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. X-Tronic Model 3020 XTS LED Soldering Station. The X-Tronic Model 3020 XTS LED soldering station surprised us with its reliability. Some of its features are usually found only in models that cost twice as much. Its handle is comfortable to hold and not hot to the touch, and the iron comes with a heavy, sturdy stand and useful accessories. It is also one of the few irons we tested with a digital display, a feature that makes tracking and changing the temperature especially easy. While putting together our electronics project kit, we occasionally had to wait for the 3020 XTS to rebound to its set temperature. You could spend around $40 more for an iron with a faster temperature rebound, but we barely noticed the difference. The iron comes with a sturdy stand to hold the hot iron during use, a spool for the solder, and both a sponge and a brass sponge for cleaning the iron's tip. Number 2. WEP 927-4 Soldering Station Kit. Here's what I found for the WEP 927-4 Soldering Station Kit. High power 110W output, heats up in just a few seconds, even up to 850 degrees C and 4S according to users. Features digital dual display showing both set and actual temperature, with 3 programmable presets and a sleep mode to conserve tip life. Includes LED magnifier, 5 extra tips, tip cleaner, helping hands, storage slots, spool holder, tweezers, and solder wire, making it a compact all-in-one station. Excellent power and temperature control for the price, 89% positive feedback from over 12,000 reviews. Fast heating, stable performance, and compact design ideal for hobbyists with limited bench space. Handle can become warm after 5 to 10 minutes of continuous use. Power cord and certain accessories, helping hands, magnifier, are sometimes considered a bit short or flimsy. Number 3. YIHUA 939D Plus Digital Soldering Station. Here's a detailed overview of the YIHUA 939D Plus Digital Soldering Station. Heats from 392 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 to 480 degrees Celsius, PID controlled for precise temperature with plus or minus 1 degrees Celsius stability. 75W equivalent output, peaks at 120W, with rapid warm-up, e.g., 10S to reach 200 degrees Celsius. Built-in transformer provides contact-safe low voltage, plus sleep mode, auto shutdown, and degree C/degree F display. ESD-safe brushed aluminum casing, sturdy stand, brass/sponge tip cleaner, and included solder/tweezers. Versus YIHUA FX888D, the YIHUA 939D Plus offers similar functionality at roughly half the cost, though industrial-grade build and warranty support from YIHUA remains superior. Versus T12 stations, Quico/Scare. These often deliver faster heat-up and precise stability with cartridge tips, but may have firmware issues or less robust QC. Versus Weller 40-70W, YIHUA offers digital control, rapid heating, and better feature sets at similar or lower price. Number 4. YIHUA 926-360W LED Display Soldering Iron. Here's a full breakdown of the YIHUA 926-360 West Soldering Iron Station Kit. 60W output with PID temperature control, temperature range, 194 to 896 degrees Fahrenheit, 90 to 480 degrees Celsius. Robust LED display, single knob 4 degrees C/degree F switching, calibration, sleep/auto shutdown, adjustable 5/10/30 minute. Compact design with integrated iron stand, solder spool holder, and mesh tip storage. 12-piece kit, 2 helping hands, 6 tips, 900M style, solder wire, solder sucker, tweezers, sponge, wrench. Fast heat up, reaches working temp and 30S, with stable PID control. Great value, includes all essentials in one compact kit. Helper tool quality, helping hands, solder sucker, and sponge holder are often considered flimsy. Temperature inconsistency, some users report the iron doesn't reach or display accurate temperatures. Test actual iron temperature, e.g., with thermocouple, calibrate if needed. Skip the fragile accessories, use higher quality alternatives for helping hands, solder sucker, or sponge. Store extra tips, these 900M standards are widely available. Replace unit immediately if you encounter electrical or temperature issues. Highly rated, around 89% positive across 12,000+ reviews, users appreciate its ergonomic design, power, and safety features. Number 5. WEP8786DISE Hot Air Soldering Iron Station Kit. Here's a complete review of the WEP8786DISE 2-in-1 Hot Air Plus Soldering Station Kit you asked about. 2-in-1 Combo, PID Controlled Soldering Iron, 392 to 896 degrees Fahrenheit / 200 to 480 degrees Celsius, and Hot Air Gun, 212 to 896 degrees Fahrenheit / 100 to 480 degrees Celsius, with independent digital display and airflow adjustment. Accessories included 5 iron tips, I divided by B divided by K divided by 3.2D divided by 3C, 3 hot air nozzles, tweezers, desoldering pump, and lead-free solder wire. Safety features: 10-minute sleep for iron, standby mode for hot air, and digital calibration support. Power: approximate 750 W rating, brushless blower providing up to 120 liters per minute airflow. Versatile and ready to use, comes with all essential tools out of the box for both soldering and rework. Effective for hobby tasks, Redditors reported works well for occasional use, including HDMI ports, without high expectations. Functional performance: capable of reaching temperatures effective for heavy-duty tasks, like PS4 HDMI desoldering, though slow to reach peak. Voltage: US 110 to 127 V only, needs a step-down transformer for other regions.